Are you looking for a local, reliable, and affordable air conditioning installation? Do you need AC installed in your residential or commercial location? Do you want to hire installers with years of experience and many great customer reviews? If so, you've come to the right place. We are fully licensed and insured and have installed all types of air conditioning units for hundreds of local clients. Don't spend another summer sweating it out with no AC or worrying if your current AC will break down. Contact one of our friendly staff now to get a free no obligation quote on the installation of a new air conditioner.
Don't delay. Call immediately. We can help you right now.